You made it to week 5. Let's take a look at what you can expect for this week in the class. Looking at the module, make sure that you go through the overview so you know exactly what you need to submit this week and what you need to be doing. Complete the reading assignments and the reading quiz. I know you're used to that by now. We also have a discussion on a compare and contrast essay from the book, which will be really helpful in constructing your own writing so that you can see how other professionals have written this type of essay. I want to briefly go over the essay assignment and the outline assignment for this week, as this is your first essay that we're going to start in the course. I would recommend that you watch this video where I explain the assignment in more detail, and there are some links to handouts along the way that may help you. Check out the logistics here so you know what to expect for the final product, as well as the rubric so you know exactly how I'll be grading you in the long run. Alright, and then our major assignment for this week is to begin to get your thoughts together for Essay 1 by creating an outline. Don't worry too much about structure because I have that covered for you. What you need to do is download this brainstorming and outline template. I will pull it up for you now. And what you can see is I have things broken down by paragraph. So there are 5 paragraphs total. There's an introduction, there are 3 body paragraphs, and there is a conclusion. Alright, so if we start from the beginning, I've broken down every paragraph into its parts. So the introduction, we have the hook, the summary of each article, and your thesis statement. And also clues to tell you what do you need to do here. In the thesis, you need to list the similarities and differences you will cover in the essay. For the body paragraphs, we have the topic sentence, and then support from each article. We are using point-by-point structure for this essay. So you do need to have a similarity or difference in the topic sentence, just one or the other. And then you'll need to support that similarity or difference with textual material from both essays that we read. And then for the conclusion, you'll basically summarize your main points of the paper and then come up with something memorable. You know, we read these 2 leaders' approach to making change in their society. So what? Why is this important? Why is it important to compare and contrast them? That's what you can kind of lean on for that last part. Alright, so that is this week. If you have any questions, as always, let me know. I hope you have a good week.